Next, we'll spread these pictures out and add the hyperlinks. But before doing so, let's pause for a moment and dive into the juicy details of the actions we just performed. You may be wondering about now, so if I inserted the pictures onto the individual slides, slides 2 through 5, and then I came back and inserted them again onto slide 1, that means I inserted all the pictures twice. Surely I just doubled the size of my slideshow, right? What do you think? Is that true? Now, if you've read Chapter 6 of the textbook discussing picture insertion, you'll recall that in PowerPoint 2007, when you insert a picture, the file size of the slideshow increases accordingly, about the same amount as the file size of the picture. Then you can copy that picture within the same show as many times as you like, and those copies really don't increase the file size at all. That's because PowerPoint is tricking your eyes and letting you think there is more than one copy of the picture on the slide. In reality, each apparent copy is merely a visual reference to the original picture. In other words, there's really only one picture present, regardless of how many instances you think you see. With that being said, however, the issue at hand is something different. In this case, we didn't just copy the pictures. We literally inserted them twice. Now what do you think? Did we double our file size or not? Well, the answer surprisingly is no. In much earlier versions of PowerPoint, yes, that certainly would have been the case. Even so, now the software is smart enough to recognize that you inserted the exact same pictures twice, and as a result, it again tricked your eyes into thinking you actually inserted them again. In reality, those second insertions are merely referencing the pictures that inserted initially, as if you copied and pasted them instead. Isn't that fabulous? As a result, don't worry about inserting the same pictures again. It doesn't matter at all to the file size.